Guess where I am?
Where?
Burke's apartment.
Apartment. Apartment.
Burke's apartment. But he doesn't want to talk about it because there were technical difficulties.
Technical. Technical.
Technical difficulties.
Your own service, state-of-the-art NICU, and a salary that'll make you one of the high.
Salary. Salary.
And a salary that'll make you one of the high. And a salary that'll make you one of the highest-paid surgeons in the Northwest. You better be worth it.
Worth. Worth.
You better be worth it.
Quintuplets, Richard.
That's a go.
The mother-to-be checked in this morning.
Nothing I like more than a high-profile case.
Well, don't.
Profile. Profile.
Nothing I like more than a high-profile case.
Well, don't. Mother-to-be checked in this morning.
Nothing I like more than a high-profile case.
Well, don't go calling the press in yet. Just sit.
Press. Press.
Don't go calling the press in yet. Just sit.
Whatever you need.
Is there meal service on this flight?
Meal. Meal.
Is there meal service on this flight?
32 weeks.
And how long is the normal gestation period?
40 weeks.
Yes, I know.
But with twins, 30
40. 40.
weeks.
Yes, I know.
But with twins, 30. With twins, 34 weeks is considered extremely successful.
Just give him some acetaminophen. It's in the medicine cabinet.
Cabinet. Cabinet.
It's in the medicine cabinet.
Oh, I guess when you take those fertility pills, you should read the fine print.
Print. Print.
Should read the fine print.
We'll have to look for other causes. There'll be lots of labs, lots of procedures, pain,
Procedure. Procedure.
lots of procedures, pain.
Dory Russell, she's giving birth to twins.
Yes, Richard said we were on standby, which is no problem, really, because it's not like I have a neurosurgery department to run or anything.
Oh.
Department. Department.
It's like I have a neurosurgery department to run or anything.
Oh.
No, it's like I said, I just had neurosurgery.
I feel like a beached whale.
Dory.
Whale. Whale.
I feel like a beached whale.
Dory.
It is a buildup of cerebral spinal fluid on the brain.
Okay, and that means...
Excess fluid builds up, and it puts pressure on the baby's brain, which could...
Brain. Brain.
It puts pressure on the baby's brain, which could... I'm going to install a shunt to drain the fluid. Barring any complications, you're looking at a full recovery.
No brain damage.
No brain damage.
Damage. Damage.
No brain damage.
No brain damage.
You meet someone in a bar, you have a few drinks, a few laughs, you make out in the car.
Oh, too son.
Roll. Roll.
Too son.
With his own unique set of nightmarish humiliations.
Maybe it's a matter of volume.
Volume. Volume.
Maybe it's a matter of volume. Maybe it's a matter of volume.
Volume? What's that supposed to mean?
Just, no, there's quality and then there's quantity.
Quantity. Quantity.
No, there's quality and then there's quantity. And not every guy's a nightmare.
Nightmare. Nightmare.
Not every guy's a nightmare.
It worked fine then, and it'll be fine now.
Hang in there, Tom. There's no time for second thoughts now.
Tom, we didn't think that we would survive the first week with the boys, and we...
Survive. Survive.
Tom, we didn't think that we would survive the first week with the boys, and we...
Is there anything I can do?
Don't let him drink any water, even if he begs. Is there any family we should contact?
No.
Contact. Contact.
Is there any family we should contact?
No. He doesn't really get along well with most people. Not big on the social skills.
Sad guy.
Well, he has me. 3 years as his assistant.
Assistant. Assistant.
He has me. 3 years as his assistant.
He'll be hurt.
Well, if I don't use it?
Well, and if you had no intention of using it, you shouldn't have.
Intention. Intention.
Well, and if you had no intention of using it, you shouldn't have.
Do you think you might not be in the best position right now to be handing out relationship advice?
Advice. Advice.
Handing out relationship advice?
Hey.
Never thought I'd be so happy to hear that.
Dr. Jones, radiology.
Announcement. Announcement.
Dr. Jones, radiology.
Dr. Burke wanted to talk to you about Emily's heart surgery.
Emily needs heart surgery?
Yes. Your daughter has a condition called hypoplastic left heart syndrome.
Syndrome. Syndrome.
Your daughter has a condition called hypoplastic left heart syndrome.
What's up with Doyle?
I had to fire him. Give me some water. I'm drying up.
Dry. Dry.
Some water. I'm drying up.
Yeah.
If I did, I wouldn't let them see me like this. Illness is a sign of weakness.
Weakness. Weakness.
Illness is a sign of weakness. Once they...
Don't tell me.
The flag is flying once again.
Hey.
Flag. Flag.
The flag is flying once again.
Hey.
I know you prefer to say pickups instead of forceps. I know you like your coffee from the cart by the front entrance better.
Cart. Cart.
I know you like your coffee from the cart by the front entrance better.
Open the door, Martin.
I am an island. Beautiful island surrounded by water.
Surround. Surround.
Beautiful island surrounded by water.
Well, I have a urologist on his way up to talk to you, but yes. Normal. Normal.
Normal. Normal.
Normal. Normal.
Stop looking at me!
Give him a 3% hypertonic solution.
Solution. Solution.
Give him a 3% hypertonic solution. Nothing wrong with that at all.
It only gets problematic when you start to care, when you let your emotions get in the way, you know?
Emotion. Emotion.
Let your emotions get in the way, you know?
Martin, can you hear me?
2 of Ativan. He started seizing.
How much sodium did you give him?
500 cc over 4 hours.
Sodium. Sodium.
Sodium did you give him?
500 cc over 4 hours.
Funny. You're a funny man.
I just didn't know you two were dating.
Date. Date.
I just didn't know you two were dating.
Well, you knew what would happen eventually.
Eventually feels a lot different than actually.
Eventually. Eventually.
Eventually feels a lot different than actually. Well, it's surprisingly painful.
Surprisingly. Surprisingly.
Well, it's surprisingly painful. Does it?
I don't know, but I'm determined to be optimistic.
Optimistic. Optimistic.
I'm determined to be optimistic.
And when is it all just too much to bear?
bear, bear,
And when is it all just too much to bear?